Hello, what's up everyone? We want to make this program, accept ID, first name, last name, phone, email, and add that to list box. You can save, delete, and edit. This is a quick review of our program. So please just follow the numbers of the steps that we want to make it here to get this program um, with complete functionality. So let's begin. The first thing, you need to try to make a similar design, such as the following labels, the following text field, and the list box, and these four buttons. So this is the first thing. Step number 2, you need to go to, after making these buttons, you need to go to New, type the following text. Step number 3, you go to Edit and just type the following text and forget about these. Just type add or this string, give it the string value of edit, and just type this. Maybe we need to click OK. After that, I need you to go to Project, Global Functions, go down a little bit, and type the following 1, 2, 3, 4 method. We have 4 methods. The first one is check text. We check ID and the first name that must not be null, so we return false. If they are nothing, we return false. If they contain something, we return true. This is the first function. The other one is a clear text. We set the text to be nothing, clear text, clear text, clear text, clear text. And the third method is edit XML. We make this method that make the work more easier. So just try to type this method. Function edit XML local. We make a local variable. You can remove it, but it's better to be just inside the function. So index item selected index. We just put the item selected index 1. Just type it here. You gotta see the functionality later in when we make the save button. When we edit the save button. When we make edit and save. As a function of our program. So XML just set attribute. We just give the path, which is a friend inside the friends, and just give it the index that we got it from here, and then give it the value, and give it the thing that we want to change, and then we give it the value, which is ID. We take it from the text field. This is the first thing, and the same thing. This is just an attribute. The value is something different than the, as an XML file, the value is different from attribute. It's not inside the tag of friend. It's a different tag inside the friend, but not inside the tag. We give it a friend. We give the path index, and we give it, the value that we want to change, and we give it the real value. This is what we want to change inside XML, but this is the value that we want to assign to fn. The same thing here, the same thing here, the same thing. The last one is which is one of the important one. Just we make a function fill list max equal XML count friend. We just count how many people or how many elements inside the XML file, and from that we use the for loop for I equal 1 to max. Do the following fn, okay, because we want to add this stuff to the list box, so we just take fn and ls from the list and assign that, add those item to, which is fn and ls, add those to list box, our list box, as you can see. So this is the first thing that you need to do, just to try to make the following 4 method. After that, we move to the next step. Okay, we just back to the work area. Okay, we go to delete, and inside delete we go to script. We try to write the following script. As you can see here, just move this a little bit, select list box, get selected. If selected not equal to null, then okay, we confirm, we add confirm to make sure that you want to delete this. As you can see here, we just notice, do you want to delete the item? We just put the type of message to be MP yes no, and then type the icon type and the default button type. And after that we make if confirmation, if the confirm equals 6, which is mean yes. If that is equal yes, then we clear the text and we put the index to be 1 and list box delete item, and remove, we delete the item of the list box, delete the item also from the XML, and also save all that deletion from XML file, because we finished dealing with that. So then list box to delete item, and then we just load the list, which is in the global functions. So this is the end of this edit button, edit button. After that we go to delete. Make sure that we don't have any stuff here, and make sure that you have the name to be delete here, object name, because you need to make sure that the name, the same name object. And edit, we don't, but just we need to declare edit, and we need to make button set enable save true. And the last thing that we want to make here, we have just list box. Just click on the list box and go to script and add the following script. Set the button enable, local, move down, if selected not equal to null, then take the index, make XML get the attribute, and set that attribute that you get from XML file to input, set that in the text field, take that from XML and set to the text field, take that from set that from text field. As you can see here, we just need the path, and after that we need to set the value to the variable. So just take that variable and set it to input text field. The same thing, this is for text field. The last thing is save. We click and save. Save is somehow has a lot of stuff. So go up. The first thing you need to, if check text equal true, then you need to do all the thing, and inside this is all inside this if statement. After that we got the ID, we take ID, first name to the email, we get all these data as I explained in the previous tutorial. And if add or edit equal this value, then we wanna make, if that is equal save, this is mean save, just this is different, but this is save, this is mean save, okay. And if that XML count friends, okay, if that is equal save, we just make save. If that not save, that means this is edit, so we just take the item and get selected, okay, and then edit XML file. So, and then after all that stuff we save and delete item, then load the list again, okay. And of course you need to set enable and set enable for edit and save button. This is the final of this program. So let's now run the program. So when we run it, we can add something. We click new, save, and we can delete. So this is the complete program. Thank you for watching.